Because I wake up really early tomorrow, I already prepared my outfit and my bag. So I would only have to like dress up, eat, and then go. Really 6:40 and I'm on my way to get my bus because like classes start at 8 a.m. today and I finish at 10, so I only have like philosophy, which is nice, but still I have to wake up really early for that. Just arrived at the campus, so I'm waiting outside before going in. I'm going to my dad's house before going back to my mom's, just because I have some stuff to take there, and then I will go back and work a little bit. So hungry, like my body hurts from the hunger. And a girl just passed and said my boots were pretty, so I'm happy. It's like always nice to have compliments from strangers. I finally finished organizing my Notion, so I have everything here. And also I created like a student board where I have all my current classes, and every one of them has where I have them, my teacher's name, and all the notes I take that are divided by days and chapters. So for example, this is like the intro of philosophy. I haven't done that yet, but I can also upload like the PowerPoints. And like Notion is such a good app, not gonna lie. It's kind of hard to understand how it works at first, but once you do, it's so cool. Like if you haven't tried it yet, try, you will see. Tomorrow I have my first I have a job in the morning from 7 a.m. to 11, so I hope I won't be too tired for this one, because like, yeah, that wouldn't be a good thing. And by the way, tomorrow I only have class from 4 to 6 p.m, which is not bad. So yeah, I will be able to sleep tomorrow between my work, my job and my uni, and I have time to study a little bit as well. I bought all of these on my way home because it is so cute. This one was kind of expensive, but I couldn't resist. So I also took a sheet mask because the packaging is really my type, and a cup too with a little hat, I guess. So yeah, I already washed it before using it, and I love the fact that there's a little spoon. I won't use it like most of the time, but still I found it really cute, and it was the same price for a cup without the spoon, so I was like, better take it with. But yeah. Just finished work and now going to class. I finally put my hands on Pierce Brown's last book, and like, we have waited 2 years, maybe even more, and you know, yeah, I think it will take me a while to finish it, so I'm really happy that it's not just a small one, but like, you know, we didn't wait for nothing. So yeah, I really just started, so I had like my sticky notes and what they mean, and I'm literally like just here. So yeah, it will take me a while to finish everything. Going to the library before my next class because I have a 2 hours break and it was freezing outside. And look what I got in the mail today. You know, I bought the 27-28 2 weeks ago and I literally couldn't wait, so I already bought the next one. And it's such a good move from me because it is so good. Like, I mean, Black Butler never disappoints, but still, like, I'm always amazed by how great the drawings are. And I mean, you know, this man really, like please, come on, he's so gorgeous. Currently editing all my notes and writing them like in my notebook because I'd rather study on this, but I'd rather take my notes on this during class. Currently printing some images because my wall is way too wide. I mean, it's only temporary, but I still like the vibe it gives. Yeah. I'm actually filming this a few days later because I forgot to record an end for this video. This vlog was really small and easy, like simple, because I just wanted to show y'all how my life has been since I started university. And maybe next time I'll try to record what I actually study, what do I have to read and do and everything. But still, thank you for watching this video and I hope you liked it.